Hi guys, I'm Sanam and welcome back to another Tipsy Duo production. So today we're gonna talk about one of the most favorite poolside cocktails and how it became from a pirate's remedy to this iconic cocktail. You might have already got a guess. If not, drumroll, we're gonna make a mojito and I'm gonna tell you the story about it. So first up, what we need in terms of ingredients, you need fresh mint, lime, sugar, white rum, your soda water and some ice. That's all. Let's go and make one and then I will let you know what's the story behind this cocktail. So to start that, you need a handful of fresh mint. I'm gonna add a couple. I like it more minty, that's why I'm adding a bit more. Then what you need is 2 teaspoons sugar. Add my sugar, tad more. You need your muddler and you need to start muddling, but just be careful, don't press too hard. Just couple of presses to release the oil from the mint. You don't wanna crush the leaves or make a hole in them. I think this will do. It smells so nice. Then what you need to do is you need 60 ml of your white rum. And then you will need your lime. I'm gonna add half a lime inside there. That goes there. And give it a couple more presses to get the lime juice out. You need to use crushed ice. I didn't have crushed ice, so I'm using these tiny cubes, but they'll do the job. And then you get your soda water and top it off. Perfect. I'll give it a gentle stir. And voila, here's your perfect mojito. While the drink chills, let's go back to our story. So mojito roots back to 1500s. When the privateer Sir Francis Drake arrived in Havana, his crew was sick. What happened is the locals gave them a cure, like a herbal cure, which had crude sugarcane spirit, mint, lime, and sugar to the crew, and they got rid of their scurvy. So, and they called it El Drake after the Drake himself. It wasn't a cocktail, but it did the job. Over time, the production of rum improved, got better, and finally that remedy just turned into this delicious cocktail. Interesting, right? By the 1920s, Havana became Americans' go-to escape. You could see mojito being served in all bars. Moreover, Ernest Hemingway kind of helped and boost the fame of this cocktail. He supposedly wrote my mojito in La Bodeguita and my daiquiri, I think he said, in La Floridita. Who knows? But like actually it helped and boosts the fame of this cocktail and put it on the map. So I think my cocktail is now chill enough. Give it one last stir. Let's go and taste it. Cheers. Oh my God. It's so crisp, fresh due to the mint and citrusy because of the lime. So actually, I'm a fan of mojitos. It's really light cocktail to have. I enjoy it in summertime mostly. But yeah, give it a try. Let me know what you think. And yeah, let me know how you make it actually. Do you squeeze the lime? Do you just press it like me? How do you like it? Thanks for watching this video. We're the Tipsy Duo, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna come back with more stories for you. Bye bye for now.